ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு நாலேஜ் கிட் சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம மறுபடியும் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சில் பாலிட்டி பார்ட் 2 பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோயிங் ஷல் நாட் பி கன்சிடர் an adequate ground for the issue of proclamation of national emergency? Option A, war. Option B, external aggression. Option C, armed rebellion. Option D, internal disturbance. Correct answers. Option D, internal disturbance. Next question, by which of the following amendments the Indian President is bound to act according to the advice tendered to him by the Council of Ministers? Option A, 42nd Amendment. Option B, 44th Amendment. Option C, 45th Amendment. Option D, 46th Amendment. Correct answers. Option A, 42nd Amendment. Next question. In a democracy, a civil servant must be committed to the first point, goals of the constitution. Second, common good. Third, ruling party's ideology. Fourth, executive of public policies. Select the correct answer by using the codes given below. Codes: option A 134, option B 234, option C 123, option D 1214. Correct answers: option D 1214. Next question, in which of the following Council of States has equal powers with the House of People? Option A, in the matter of creating new All India services. Option B, in amending the Constitution. Option C, in the removal of the government. Option D, in making cut motions. Correct answers: option B, in amending the Constitution. Next, if the President of India exercises his power as provided under Article 356 of the Constitution in respect of a particular state, then option A, the Assembly of the state is automatically dissolved. Option B, Article 19 is automatically suspended. Option C, Parliament assumes the power to legislate on the subjects in the state list. Option D, Governor of that state assumes the power to legislate on the subject in the state list. Correct answer: option C, Parliament assumes the power to legislate on the subjects in the state list. Next question, which of the following is the disadvantage of the administrative tribunals? First point, disperse quick and cheap justice. Third, violates rule of law. Third, are managed by senior bureaucrats. Fourth, devise their own flexible procedures. Option A 2 only, option B 3 and 4 only, option C 1, 2 and 4, option D 4 only. The correct answers: option D 4 only. Next question, point out the wrong statement in the following with respect to money bill. Option A, the prior consent of the President is required for introducing a money bill. Option B, a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. C, the Rajya Sabha has to pass the money bill, so transmitted within a period of 14 days from the date of sending. Option D, a money bill can be introduced only in the Rajya Sabha. ஸோ இதில் ராங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் என்னென்னா ஆப்ஷன் டி, a money bill can be introduced only in the Rajya Sabha. Next, match the following. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Community Development Program, Ashok Mehta Committee, 73rd Constitutional Amendment. ஸோ இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து பல்வந்த் ராய் மேக்தா கமிட்டி 1957, கம்யூனிட்டி டெவலப்மெண்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் 1952, அசோக் மேத்தா கமிட்டி 1978, 73rd கான்ஸ்டியூஷனல் அமெண்ட்மெண்ட் ஆக்ட் 1993. ஆப்ஷன் சி. Next question. Who is the chairman of the National Water Resources Council in India? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Minister of Water Resources. Option C, Minister of Environment and Forest. Option D, Minister of Science and Technology. Correct answers. Option A, Prime Minister. Next one. The Supreme Court in the Indian Union has more powers than any other Supreme Court in any part of the world. Who said so? இதனுடைய கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் சர் அல்லாடி கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி ஐயர். Next question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Option A, Article 153, Office of the Governor. Option B, Article 156, Term of the Governor. C, Article 154, Executive Authority of Governor. D, Article 155, Removal of Governor. ஸோ இதனுடைய கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர், இதனுடைய எது தப்பாக இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் டி, ஆர்டிகல் 155. Next, which one of the following statement is or true with regard to formulation of the government? Option A, there is a rule in the business of the government which mentions that single largest party that gets majority will form the government. B, there is no written rules on inviting the single largest party by the second largest party to form the government. It is a conventions. There is a provisions in part 1 of the constitutions. Option D, Representation of People's Act provides for inviting the longest party to form the government. ஸோ இதனுடைய ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஆப்ஷன் பி, there is no written rules on inviting the single largest party by the second largest party to form the government. It is a conventions. Match the following. Establishment of states and choose the correct one. 36th Amendment, 13th Amendment, 27th Amendment, 56th Amendment. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு அமெண்ட்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் வந்து எந்தெந்த மாநிலங்கள்லாம் கரெக்டான இது வந்திருக்கு. இதுக்கு 36th Amendment சிக்கிம், 13th Amendment நாகாலாந்து, 27th Amendment மணிப்பூர் அண்ட் திரிபுரா, 56th Amendment கோவா. ஆப்ஷன் ஏ. The Indian Constitution describes legislative relations between union and states in article from. The answers option A, article 245 to 255. Which of the following is or incorrectly matched? Select your answers using the codes given below. First point, credit creations, Reserve Bank of India. Second, commercial bank accepting deposits. Third, Reserve Bank of India control of credit. Fourth, quantitative control, scheduled banks. Your answers option A, one only. The leader of the Congress party in the Lok Sabha as on September 2015. Answer option A, Mallikarjuna Kharge. Article 25 of the Constitution of India guarantees correct answers option A, right to religion. Which one of the following is not a formally prescribed device available to the members of parliament? Answer B, 0 hour. Match the list. 4th schedule, 7th schedule, 11th schedule, 8th schedule. Answer B, 2143. Which one of the following amendment was called a revision of the Constitution and it introduced changes in preamble as many as 53 articles and 7th schedule? Correct answers option B, 42nd amendment. Which one of the following statements with regard to the enactment of the Act of 1935 is wrong? The questions are wrong answers on the option D, Lord Curzon, Partitioned Bengal. Which of the following recommendations are made by the Administrative Reforms Commissions to improve relations between the political and permanent executives? First point, ministers should try to develop a climate of fairlessness and fair play among senior officers. Second, ministers should not intervene in day-to-day administrative except in case of service maladministrations. Third, the official relationship of secretary to minister should be one of the confidence of that of minister to secretary, one of royalty. Prime Minister should take special interest to arrest growing of unhealthy personal affiliations. All major decisions should be briefly reduced to writings. ஸோ இதனுடைய ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ 1 to 4 and 5. Thank you.